Anne says, I recently moved to Washington State, Seattle in June 2025. But while living in Maryland during the March 2025 Workers' Retreat, I brought a prayer request before God for a friend and a workmate, Mrs. Beth, who was admitted with flu symptoms, shortness of breath, weakness, and was unable to keep anything in her stomach. In less than 24 hours, she was in the critical unit, intubated and unable to respond to treatment. The doctors tried all they could, but her lungs were not responding to the oxygen provided. I cried to God, Anne says, saying, no death for my friend and sister. She's a single parent and she has no one stable to cater for her child. Some friends and I began to pray and intercede for her. Upon my return to Maryland for the Workers' Retreat on March 6th, Beth was still intubated. So I and a friend who is a Koinonia worker sang praises and gave thanks to God because we were assured that God had taken over and our sister was not going to die. To the glory of God, Beth was discharged on the 15th of March, fully recovered. Someone celebrate Jesus. Someone is leaving fully recovered, fully recovered, fully recovered. Hallelujah.